क्या क्या होता है वर्कशॉप मशीनरी में?
lathe, milling machine, drilling machine.
Lathe, milling machine, planing machines, drill machines. Okay. So what is the function of lathe machine?
It's a turning machine.
Okay. Prime function is a turning, or many times is also called the turning machines. Okay, what do you mean by the turning now?
Job is held between two centers and it's rotated. Then you work on the job.
Okay, you are working on
Get
the
that
job. So which
uh,
types of work can be done using the lathe?
Um,
So material removal.
Material removal, मतलब cutting,
you can make screws, threading.
grooves, थ्रेड कर सकता है, ग्रू कर सकता है, कट कर सकता है. सही है. So some base part of the your lathe machine will be your headstock and tailstock. In between, you are putting your job. Okay, there is a tool post, the tool which is will be work over your job. To support this mechanism, there is a bed, and to support the bed, there is a column. Okay, many detailed parts are also there. Now, what do you mean by the center height? Okay, so height between a center of a headstock to the bed. Okay, many times there is a questions. What you mean by the 4 feet length? Okay,
Length of the job, sir.
normally
Maximum length of the job.
maximum length of the job that you can do on the lathe machine. So how it is defined? Maximum distance between the headstock and tailstock.
Still stock, yeah.
सही है पे जहां पे you can put your job. Okay. Then a shaping machine. Yeah, shaper. What is prime function of the shaper?
To make a
Make flat
group.
surfaces.
Make a
their
flat surfaces.
product remains
Then
same and then tool will be moving.
no, it is a how it is functioning. Prime function of the shaper.
Reduce the thickness to get the required size.
So again, some material removal.
Okay,
Its
so
movement is forward and backward direction.
material yeah. So prime function is a removal of the machine in form of the flat, in form of the horizontal, in form of the vertical, or in form of the angular. It gives a specific shape. Okay, just like you require a job of the 5 mm, sorry, not 5 centimeter, and you cut down at the 5.2 centimeter. So 0.2 centimeter can be shaped out or cut out by the shaping machines. So same, there is a tables to support your table post. You have to put your job tool, tool support करने के लिए रैम, रैम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए कॉलम, और कॉलम को या एंटायर मशीन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए बेस. Same vertical and horizontal sleeping. Okay, these are the vertical sleeping, horizontal sleeping machines. Slotting machines. Okay. What is the prime function of the slotting machine?
You make grooves.
Slot का मतलब ही आपको समझ में आ जाना चाहिए.
Take a
Groove
slot
cutting.
in the product.
Sorry,
To take a specific slot in the product.
नहीं.
gears में जो slots बनाते थे.
हाँ, मतलब slots, grooves बनाने के लिए,
Grooves.
slot या grooves बनाने के लिए, that may be a vertical, internal or external surfaces. Internal is not possible by the lathe and even by the shaper, which is a possible by the slotting machines. Okay, हॉल के अंदर हॉल बनाना है, grooves बनाना है, surface, it is possible by the slotter. So again, your table post tool, टूल को सपोर्ट करने के लिए रैम, रैम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए कॉलम, कॉलम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए एंटायर बेस। ड्रिल मशीन, व्हाट यू मीन बाय द ड्रिलिंग मशीन?
Make a hole or to
Make a
increase the
hole.
diameter of an existing hole.
Okay, to make a bore. Okay, many times questions, okay, what you mean by the 25 mm drill machine?
Diameter of the hole that can be made.
Maximum dia that you can bore using this drill machine is at 25 mm. तो ये टू मेक अ बोर, और फंक्शन कोई नहीं है ड्रिल मशीन का. सो इट इज अ pedestal or pillar type and radial type. What is the advantage in the radial type drill machine?
Can be rotatable.
It can rotate in a 360 degree, while it is a steady only. Each, when we have to make a bore, each and every time you have to uh, displace your job work. While it is possible, your job work remain steady, and you can move your tool one place to another place. Milling machine. What is the function of the milling machine?
Surface removal.
Surface, planing the surface in a vertical direction.
Okay. Cleaning तो है, but its main function is a milling.
A milling.
So yeah, it's like you required a height of a job 5 mm चाहिए, and your job is a 5.1 mm. So 0.1 mm you cannot cut down. It is not possible to the cutting process. But yeah, it is possible by the milling process. You are mill the surface 0.1 mm, and your required size will be get. Okay. So its function is just like a cutting, but not cut by milling process. छिलने से, कट करने से नहीं. सही है. So horizontal milling and vertical milling. ग्राइंडिंग मशीन. ग्राइंडिंग मशीन का फंक्शन क्या है? ग्राइंड
It's also
समथिंग. सो यहाँ पे इट विल बी, आपकी जो सरफेस को चमकानी होगी, सो इट इज पॉसिबल. ग्राइंडिंग मशीन नॉट यूज फॉर द मिलिंग पर्पस. सही है. आपको सरफेस रिमूवल चाहिए आफ्टर द वेरियस प्रोसेसेस, या वेल्केनाइजेशन प्रोसेस या एनिल प्रोसेसेस से बाद में, या आपका कोई इक्विपमेंट बन के 2-3 महीने पड़ा रहा और उस पर थोड़ा सा रस्टिंग आ गया है, तो उसको चमकाने के लिए, या ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया है स्टील का और वो सिल्वर से, मतलब शाइनी से डल हो गया है, तो उसको चमकाने के लिए, आउटर सरफेस ग्राइंड करने के लिए ग्राइंडिंग मशीन यूज होता है. सही है.
Okay.
And one more workshop machines, welding machines. Okay, this is not यहाँ slide में नहीं है, but function of welding machines to join the any two material parts. सही है. Type of welding machine में कौन कौन से आएंगे?
Arc welding or
gas
Arc
welding,
welding,
yes,
TIG
gas
welding.
welding, TIG welding,
TIG welding, MIG welding.
MIG welding, spot welding. Okay, these are the different types of type of welding machines. So this is a part of your chapters. Okay, ये chapters 2 मार्क का है, in which
So this पूरा only
you
2
will
mark का
find.
क्या?
हाँ, सही है. So there is a, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि distributions even हुआ है. Yeah, किसी को कुछ questions हो तो we can discuss. But as a, देखिए, what is the criteria for appearing exam? क्राइटेरिया क्या है? भाई 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, या मास्टर ऑफ वैल्यूएशन करके 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. तो इन लोगों को लगता है कि भाई इतना तो इनको पता ही होगा कि मशीन क्या क्या है.
Okay.
सही है.
Okay.
So as on day, there's a जब सबसे बड़ा weightage है, it is based on the case study, about 26 mark like that.
Okay.
So it is a based, मतलब primary driver है, it is a case studies, your technical skill to solve the issues. Okay, not just technical, but your skill to solve the issues. Yeah. कोई question पूछना हो तो पूछ सकते हैं.
Nothing, sir.
No. So we are moving the next chapter. It is again very small chapter.